Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 435D M Sport Gran Coupe in Snapper Ox Blue. So alongside that very nice exterior colour, we've also added a full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit to the car, and included in that is a brand new set of 405M style alloy wheels that are the 20-inch version of them. You'll see there at the front of the car it's a 2018 18 plate, so we do have a facelift model. Also down the side of the car has been very well presented. We've also got that BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals that do stand very nicely on that Snapper Ox blue colour. We've also got the sun protection glazing on the rear windows of this car, and we'll go on now to take a look at the interior, not before showing you again just how well all of the additions work with that very special exterior colour. The interior works very nicely once again with the exterior, being that it is the lighter Oyster Leather with both the heated and electric movement and memory. We've also of course got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course to help us keep all of that massive power and torque down to the road, being a 435D, we've got the superb X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. In the back you do of course get an Isofix 3-seat rear bench, central folding armrest, and something that works very nicely once again is that darkened M Sport headlining in contrast with that lighter interior colour. Before we head to the very rear of the car, show you off again just how nice these alloys work with that exterior colour and of course the styling. At the back we added a high gloss rear diffuser and satin rear boot spoiler on this car. Again, another feature for the facelift was the LED rear lights, which are a very nice sharper addition to the 4 Series range. Very large boot on the Gran Coupe. If you've not yet seen one, you'll be very pleasantly surprised. You can also further make that larger by removing both bottom and top partial shelves and split folding seats. Round at the other side of the car, again, you can see there that this is a very clean and tidy vehicle, alongside it being very nicely presented with the additions we've made. It's a very low mileage car. It's covered just over 12,000 miles, and we will of course take a closer look at all of the interior details now as I make my way on inside the car. Starting with the professional wide navigation and media screen that's currently displaying the Connected Drive Plus function. Get there in the end. We've also on board with that you get news, weather and online search functions, all powered via Google. And this is a great way to keep you connected on the go. It does not use any of your own personal data. In terms of using the navigation, this is a really user-friendly system, and it uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. Did of course mention it's a low mileage example, and as you can see there, 12949. We've also got Bluetooth telephone and of course audio, as you can see there, and a huge amount of multimedia inputs as well, such as DAB, music collection, AUX and USB inputs. Down here we'll find the dual climate control, along with our switches for the heated seats. Being that this is an exceptionally low mileage example, of course it also has a full BMW service history. And this vehicle has very recently had a service at BMW, and as you can see there, the next service is not due for 19,000 miles time. And as you can see there, it was serviced at 12,311. So there is a walk around video for the 435D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in Snapper Ox Blue. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. If you do want some further information, please remember that always in the description you'll find not only a link to our website, but alongside that there is contact details for ourselves here at Your Next Car, and we will happily help you in any way, shape or form we can if you do want to give us a call. Thank you very much, and hopefully guys we'll see yourselves very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you. Goodbye.